eBay LED COB light. Are they any good? Well, let's find out. In this short episode, we're having a look at some LED COB lights that I bought off eBay. They're supposed to be 3 volt, 50 milliamp. Here's a listing, as you can see, nice and cheap, £4.20 for 10, all the way from China. And in the listing there it says 3 volt, 50 milliamp. Now I have got a use for these, maybe. I'm hoping they will fit behind a signal meter in the CB radios. So let's power one up and have a look at it, see how bright it is, see how hot it is. There we have them. So yeah, they're about 20 millimeters long, roughly. See, the leads are a little bit longer. They look very fragile, but then again, that's what they always do, this type of light. Alright, let's power it up with 3 volts off my bench power supply. And yep, it comes on. And it's nice and bright. So that's at 3 volts now, and we're drawing 88 milliamps, which is a little bit more than specified. But I think if we turn the current down, we should be able to get it to a brightness that is acceptable. So I'm just messing with the bench power supply here, just trying to get the voltage right down so we can see how many LEDs are actually in this strip. It's very, very sensitive to voltage fluctuations. It still shows bright on the camera, but it's not really bright in real life. There we go, we've just about got it. There we go. So we've got 7 LEDs in this. So I think if you ran this at full power it would get quite warm, but I don't intend to run it at full power. We'll put some nice current limiting resistor in and limit it to a value, limit it to a brightness that should be nice behind a signal meter. So I'm just hoping these will fit. They might fit with a little bit of modification. Apart from that, looks good. Yeah, back to the current again. I'm just checking for temperature. It's about 60 milliamps. You can feel it's getting slightly warm, but nothing too bad. I think that's a more than acceptable current. So that's it for this short video. Just a quick unpack and a quick test of these 3 volt 50 milliamp LED COB lights that hopefully I should be using in some future projects. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.